Hot off the press, inflation takes center stage again. And we get a behind the scenes look at the Federal Reserve's September deliberations. Let's dive in. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. This Wednesday, the Labor Department reported the Producer Price Index, PPI, for September rose by 0.5% month over month. While this is a decrease from August's 0.7%, it surpasses the Dow Jones prediction of 0.3%. Annually, the PPI jumped 2.2%, marking the largest increase since April. Core PPI, which excludes food and energy prices, climbed 0.3% month over month, a little faster than the 0.2% forecast. The following day, Thursday, the Labor Department returned to update us on the Consumer Price Index for September. Headline CPI last month increased 0.4%, slightly above the 0.3% pace that had been forecast. Year over year, CPI landed at 3.7%, right where it did in August and a tenth of a point higher than projected. As for core CPI, some actual deceleration was evident there. Annual core CPI now is at its lowest level in 2 years. According to the Labor Department, shelter costs were the primary culprit in rising consumer inflation this time around. The September shelter index rose 0.6% for the month and accounted for over half the increase. In the assessment of Gregory Dacko, chief economist at EY Parthenon, this CPI report will undoubtedly keep Fed officials on high inflation alert, but it won't tilt the FOMC toward another Fed funds rate hike at the upcoming meeting. Fed policymakers are now shifting their focus from how high to raise the policy rate to how long to maintain it at restrictive levels. The much-anticipated Federal Open Market Committee September meeting minutes released this week highlighted a general consensus for one more rate hike this year. All members agreed on maintaining higher rates until a sustainable move towards a 2% inflation rate is evident. From inflation trends to Federal Reserve insights, that's your snapshot of the evolving economic landscape this week. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.